Let's cook homemade sizzling tofu. You need some spring onions, oyster sauce, sesame oil, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, minced meat, either pork or chicken, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 egg tofu, 3 eggs, and 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. For the gravy, mix 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of white pepper, 3 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with water to thicken the gravy. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Firstly, peel and mince the garlic. Then, cut the egg tofu into thick slices. After that, cut the spring onions. Next, crack and beat the eggs. To get a crispy tofu, coat the egg tofu with a thin layer of cornstarch. Step 2. Marinate the minced meat with a little bit of dark soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, and pepper. Mix it evenly. Step 3. Combine the ingredients for the gravy. Mix in 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, three tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Step 4. Deep fry the egg tofu. Pour in some oil and wait until the oil is hot before putting in the egg tofu. Halfway through, Flip the egg tofu and continue frying until both sides are golden brown. When it is done, take it out and leave it aside for later use. Step 6. Cook the gravy. Stir fry the minced garlic. Then, mix in the marinated minced meat. When it is half cooked, add in a little bit of water. After that, pour in the gravy mixture and mix it well. Once boiled, put in the spring onions. Also, add in half a teaspoon of white pepper. To have a thicker gravy, add some cornstarch mixed with water. When the gravy is done, pour it into a bowl for later use. Step 7. Fry the beaten eggs with 1 tablespoon of oil on a non-stick pan. Even out the oil on the non-stick pan before pouring the beaten eggs. Fry the omelette until dry. Make sure your fire is set to either medium or low heat so that the bottom of the omelette does not burn before it is well cooked. Lastly, put in the fried egg tofu before pouring the gravy in. Allow it to simmer on the stove for a while before serving. This portion serves up to 6 people. Enjoy! That is all for today. Thank you for watching.